Now for a little mineral spirits. This is sanded to 60 grit. Before we sand anymore, we're gonna put some mineral spirits on it and raise the grain. Now let that dry and we'll finish sanding. Getting a nice coat of polyurethane. Trying to get it all in there. Some grains. So I built this kind of crude 2x4 frame, and then I used these metal brackets that let me screw that deck. I kind of roughed out an oak board with my hand planer right there. I'll probably put some plugs in that, and then installed this, and now I'm gonna frame that window.